Hello, welcome back. Welcome. Good to see you, everyone. Let's start the show. Let's see what's happening. We have some good levels here, I must say. Actually, I'm gonna outline some possible targets for later, which I'm gonna see if it happens. So far, I think the draw on liquidity is down there. It's not necessarily going to be like that. We have a buy side at 955. I'd like this one to drop all the way, if it can, at least to somewhere around 890, if possible, or maybe 880. That would be also good. So waiting for a possible drop. Watching these levels, and that's it. Top right, 3 minute demand / order block. All right, it's fine. Okay. We might not go down there, but who knows? Red, welcome. Good to see you, Red. What is going on? What is going on? Just a second. Waiting for market open, yeah. Missed the trade during London. Hopefully we'll see a drop. I'd like to see this one go down to 880, but at least to 890. Would be nice. All right. Kirk, what's happening? What is happening? I'm in a small short position. I don't even know where. Oh yeah, I know where. Here. Very small short position, nothing fancy. The risk to reward is obviously not good, but and it's also on an evaluation account, so looking for that 880. Look at the 3-minute chart. Usually I'm not looking at the 3-minute chart, but I just love this level here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful 3-minute candles. So I would really love to return down there and take out that demand area, and or at least test it. Other than that, I don't see anything significant. Maybe down here. Actually, this one picked up liquidity. Shifted to the upside. Let's check it on the 3-minute. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, let's wait. Yeah, so far I'm looking to break the 3-minute demand zone. That's it. But the market open can easily take me out. So I'm gonna put my stop down there. Shoulda, woulda, coulda entered on the funded account because it was promising, but since market open is ahead of us, I didn't really want it to jump in. Oh, let me turn on the lights here. Turn on the lights tonight. Turn on the lights. Anyway, back to the charts. Following this on the 3-minute. It should be okay. Maybe even lower, relative equal lows there. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave a runner. Okay, and the final level will be 65. Nice. 27 is fine. It might be a little bit tight, but should be okay. All right, that's what I'm looking for. And how about that we request the payout? We should be requesting a payout from MyFundedFutures. What do you guys say? We should do it live before the market open. Let's request a payout. So that way we can measure the time. All right. So I'm requesting a payout right now. It's gonna be $1,200, and we're 5 minutes before. Okay. All right. I have requested a payout from this account 5 minutes before the market open. All right. Let's see how much time is it gonna take them. You went to bed early at London session. Oh yeah, it was just pumping higher. It was just pumping higher. All right, all right. Let me check it real quick. Oh my god, the amount already deducted from the account. It has already been deducted. Nice. It has already been deducted. We like MyFundedFutures because they also pay very fast. Super fast, I must say. Let's get paid, baby. All right. So this is the trade. It's a very tight stop here, so I'm not really concerned about it. Hey Carsten, which company have you requested? MyFundedFutures. I just requested it 3 minutes ago. MyFundedFutures, 3 minutes ago, $1,200, and we'll see. Last time it took them 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the money was on my Rise account. So basically, it was they sending it in crypto. That's why it's so fast. And from Rise, it goes to my bank in about 4 to 5 hours. So from the part when it goes to Rise, it's not MyFundedFutures anymore. It's just RiseWorks because that's how most prop firms pay. So from RiseWorks, as I requested, it's in my bank account in a few hours. But from MyFundedFutures to Rise, last time it was 10 minutes. All right, 1 minute and 6 seconds to go. Yeah, I might gonna get stopped here. I'm at break even already. But I don't mind because how much is the risk? It's just so small risk. Like if it takes me out, at least I know that it was, too early to hold it. No problem. I'm risking about I don't even know. I'm risking maybe like $40 or something. Actually, no, sorry. I might be risking about 80 or 60, 80. I don't know, something like that. It's all right. I'm willing to lose it. Looking for the next one. I was just listening. I was in the gym and I was listening Mark Douglas workshop on YouTube, and he was talking about exactly this thing, like what I was always saying, like once you put on the trade. Oh, by the way, we have the market open. So once you put on the trade, you just accept it and move on with your life. If it takes you out, it takes you out, and that's it. Oh wow, interesting. Interesting. Let's see what it's gonna be. So far, nothing special. Uh-oh, seemingly it wants to go higher. Might gonna push one more time to the upside. Have to accept the fact. Yeah, it's pushing there. Alright, no problem. Moving up, moving up. Oh yeah, 55. Wow. Is it gonna pump that 55 or what's the deal? Maybe everybody wants to get in the action. Yeah, we pumped that 55 buy side. Now I'm curious of what's gonna happen. What level do we have? Okay, MyFundedFutures approved my payout. Actually, they approved it 4 minutes after requesting it. The email got here 4 minutes. So requested the payout, got approved in 4 minutes. I'm waiting for the money to arrive. News at 10. Yeah, there's going to be some news. Nothing special. Lagarde is going to speak at 10:15, so nothing heavy. What is happening? Is Trump doing something? I suppose he does. He must be doing something here. Right. I don't see anything special on the 1 hour. Yeah, nothing special. Maybe the 4 hour? Maybe. We definitely have some buy side. Like I'm gonna have to put a line here as possible buy side liquidity, as we're still pushing up there. There's no pullback at all. Yeah. But I just cannot jump in here. I just can't. I still have to wait for a little bit. I just can't pull the trigger on anything here. So this was the first presentation gap. Quite a big one. Whew. Quite a big one. Oh my god. Quite a big one. Oh. Okay. Okay. What is happening? Going back to the gap. Yeah, exactly. It's hard to trade when it's going to one direction. That's what she's exactly. That's what she said. Oh, what about what is ES doing here? What the hell? You know what? I think ES is gonna go down. I'm gonna be still favoring the shorts. Because I just don't see anything special up there. It's not special enough. Yeah, we should be going back down. I'm actually tempted to go short here, but trying to scalp this from 940. I don't know if I can enter the short from 940, but a little bit risky. A little bit risky. Maybe should have closed it. Well. I thought that this is going to invert. No, 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 no. It's not good. Got rejected from the, yeah, yeah, this one got rejected. Interesting though. I'm still in it, but I'm still holding it. My TP is 14.50. You're long, trying to short. Yeah, I'm watching it closely. I'm watching this one closely. I'm still holding a short from 940, 940.75, but my finger is on the flat button. I don't like this. I don't like this. No. Still watching it. Still holding it. I'm not sure for how long. This 940 level definitely holds it. Modifying my TP to 915. $9.15. Come on. Actually, it should be going lower to 900, by the way. But I don't understand what's happening here. Come on, 915. Drop it down to 915. I'm not reading the chat right now. Sorry, guys. I'm watching the 1-hour charts here on my left. It's not. It can't get through down there. Not now. Strong level. I'm not gonna hold this for too long. If I have to, I'm just gonna close it with a loss here manually. Come on. Man, this is getting more and more difficult here. There is also a demand zone at the open. And the 5-minute also has some beautiful targets on the downside, but whatever. We have the new 5 and 15-minute candle, 5-minute till the macro. I think I'm gonna close it. It is what it is. I was so sure about that 915 at the open after the push and saw those levels down there. I was like, it has to test it at least once. No, I just can't. All right, closed it. Very bad trade on my end. Had to close it. My entry was, oh my god, are you seeing this? Just as I closed it. I just can't believe this is real. I can't believe that this happened. Still watching it. If there's a displacement or something. It's not gonna give another chance, I guess. Is it gonna do anything at all? The macro is coming in how much? In like 1 minute and 24 seconds. No, it's not going down. It keeps on pushing. Yeah, it doesn't really want to fall. It definitely is gonna be maybe a full bullish day, going up to the 22,000. Yeah, I closed it. I think it just wants that 22,000 up there. Pretty obvious. What can we do, right? I mean, we're close, but are we really that close? Is it really gonna push it? How far are we? From 20k, not too far. We have the macro. I don't know. Look at that. It wants to test it, maybe. No idea. Does it really want to test it? I'm not sure. Maybe it wants to get through. Anyway, let's see what it's gonna do here. It was close. It didn't go for the 22k. Interesting. Anyway, I guess I should have waited. Still not at the 20. Okay. Is it gonna do it now? I'm just curious. Almost did it. Almost did it. Oh, it did it. It did it. All right. It did it. Anyway, you know, lesson learned: do not, do not scalp the open. Obviously, do not scalp the open because that's always getting you to trouble. And we just got through the 22. So how far are we going? Are we going for the 4? It looks like we're going for that, you know, 22,000. 111 might be the case. No pullback at all. Just going higher. All right, let me read the chat. Sorry, guys. I'm flat. I have no positions. Yeah, my entry was 940. Oh god. I was not in a. I was in a short, but I closed it manually. I'm a long-term trader. Yeah, going straight to 22. Yeah, you told me exactly. 50 baller is done. 22. Yeah, 111. 22 111 up there. You called it. Everybody called it. Yeah, there's a volume gap on the daily, right? Nintendo, nice. I mean, I hope you're done with profit. You made some good profits there. Yeah, there is a new day opening gap lower. Let me show you right down there. So there's a new day opening gap. Squeezed everybody as much as it could. 300, nice. Nintendo, listen. 300 is good. Is good. I mean, obviously, the goal is to make 3 million in a session, but now 300 is absolutely a good one. That's. I mean, you should lock yourself out or close the whatever software you use for trading. Just close everything. Close it. Got some studies to do. Oh, yeah, that's important. That's important. That is obviously important, so. Alright. I don't see anything except the fact that it just wants to push it higher and higher. Higher and higher. Oh, man. Turned out to be a super bullish day so far. How much we went up there since the open? Yeah, a little bit more than 100 points, which is, I mean, it can still turn around, but since we're so close to that 111 level on the 4-hour, wouldn't be surprised. There's a lot of liquidity there. Also on the daily. You know, not trusting the shorts here. I mean, yeah. I'm just not trusting the shorts. It's gonna go 422 100, man. It's crazy. Think about it. But I don't see anything that I like so far. The only thing I see is the 22-100. So bullish. So bullish. Ooh, look at that. What just happened here? What was this? Trump is doing something, maybe. What is going on? All right, all right. This could be interesting. This could be interesting. I might have to put on a copy trader. For the Bewley accounts as well. This one shifted structure a little bit here. It could be a liquidity sweep, and now it's just gonna go higher. So technically reprice the gap. Or we could say that it has inverted the gap. This one here, this small one, but small fair value gap has been taken here. Not sure if that's the case, that it wants to fall, but we're gonna be watching it. I took a $50 short here, only with one micro, just to see if it wants to go down back to the open to that 9. My TP is at 916. So here it is. But I think it just wants to, I don't know. I mean, I'm okay to risk it with a micro, but it's not the trade that we're looking for. Could have been great. I mean, yeah, I closed it. Don't try to go short on a bullish run like this. If it tries to go higher, it might want to go for that 22111, but not sure. There's gonna be some ECB news, I guess. Not sure, but I think there's gonna be some ECB news, right? Or there should be. All right, what's it doing up here? Maybe it's trying to form a double top. Not really sure. Trying to figure this out, but I just don't know what to play here. Are we gonna see another bullish run? Yeah, it made a new high. I guess I did good by closing that trade down. Yeah. It's very weird. The whole thing is just weird. I just don't like the whole. I don't have an entry. It pretty much seems like it wants to go higher to the 100s. Can't really understand what could be the move here. So ES is moving for all-time high. Oh yeah, it does. It's gonna pull NQ. The thing is that we are stuck here. We're stuck here, and I'm not going to force anything if I don't have to. I should be consider myself lucky still that I was able to hold myself back from doing stupid things. Yeah, it was a pullback. Swept some orders, picked up liquidity from this gap, and now it's pushing higher. 111. There you go. That could be the next target. That the only one that I think is reasonable. Yeah. No stopping at this one. My next stop is the 50s, and so on and so forth. No stopping. I don't even have an inversion gap, or I don't even have a proper order block or anything on this. So even if I want to, I just can't do anything. Small 1 minute gap there, picking up a little bit of liquidity, I guess. Nothing special. Place your entry at the first part of the gap. Yeah, so I just wanted to go short here, and then I closed it manually up there. That's all. Yeah, so I placed my order there. It clearly rejected everything. And there's a 4-hour level and daily fair value gap and liquidity right up there. You know, entering a trade here for me would be gambling. Doesn't matter which size. If I just enter a short, you know, doesn't matter if a long or a short. I have no formation that underlines the long narrative, and nothing that underlines the short narrative here. So I can't do anything with that. I would love to, but I just can't. The only thing I'm happy about is that I made $155 on the account that suffered again a lot. So I'm happy about that. But that is all. Oh, sorry, just a sound effect. They want it that way, so we don't have an opportunity to get in. Yeah, I just don't have an opportunity to get in on this train, and even so, I would like to see some proper, formations here, like a displacement, then an inversion or something to go into the buy side up there. But since I don't have anything, it's just a waiting game again. It's Big Boys Day, as you said, Jonathan. It's Big Boys Day. Let's just wait a bit. Oh man, I don't know. Yeah, Trev, seems like we might be pricing ourselves in for a new high. That 111 could be the one. One quick question, sure. MyFundedFutures allows you to trade 3 funded accounts if you have 5 or 7 that pass. They just keep them. Yes, exactly. So, Jonathan, it's like that. You can have as many evals as you want. If you pass them, they're gonna be on the shelf in dormant. And if you just fail a funded account, then they're just gonna activate them. That's it. It's like automatic. So just like every other prop firm, for example, Bulenox does that too. But yeah, so it's gonna be there. You can still trade on evals, and at least you know that worst case scenario, you still have a new funded account ready to be activated. I don't know if it comes, Trev. I don't like the whole thing here. Yeah, at 1 minute it looks like she's going, but honestly, guys, I'm gonna be completely honest here. I think this price action might be the worst in January. I think, including the London session as well. Not because I always wanted to go short. Yeah, partially because of that too. But actually, you know what? The price action isn't that bad because the market just does the thing that it has to do. But it keeps on pushing, It's just not going for those lower targets. Even if it would do a displacement to the downside, it's just it doesn't really want to go with that. Let me just show you how I'm doing today, by the way, on the funded accounts. I need to trade on the Take Profit Trader account as well. So this is the account that I requested the payout from, $1,200 from MyFundedFutures today. So super happy. The other account, this was the one that I was down on the maximum loss daily limit yesterday. I made 155. I'm not gonna touch this account for today, so it's fine. And the milestone account is only up $57. Yesterday I was back to almost like 50,000. So today I managed to make $57. Not sure what I'm gonna do. The Bulenox accounts, the new ones, I copy traded them, ended up break even $22. So basically here $10, $14. So I'm basically break even everywhere. Even the Apex accounts, look at that, $5, negative $6. That's fine. And almost $5 here, 0. So I'm at break even today. The only thing I did is that 155, and I was trying to do what I can. I just couldn't. I'm still waiting for a proper entry. But as I said, for me, a break even day is also like a winning day. But wasn't really, I mean, I wasn't really sure what it's gonna do. And here on the 5-minute, these are the levels that I like. I really do like these levels. I'm gonna delete the unnecessary lines, okay? The ones that we don't need. The ones that we don't need, I'm gonna delete. There's the 3-minute level. Okay, so we have some good targets on the downside. Yeah, I'm looking for an inversion too, but we still have to be patient. And I also like on the 1-minute, like this here, the opening candle 9:30, bearish. Let me check on the. Oh, it's not bearish on the mini. It's actually technically bullish, but anyway, I still like this one to go down. Make more gains. I almost thought you're gonna say make more gold, make more gold. By the way, speaking of gold, look at how gold was acting up today. It took out the targets. Oops! It took out the targets that I was hoping for. Haven't even looked on gold. Interesting. Okay, now I like this candle. I like this candle, but I need. Okay, never mind. I almost said I need this candle to close somewhere below 22k, but it's not closing. This level is holding up. So Trader Monk, hey there. What's going on, Trader Monk? It was like typical waiting. Oh, and Malo, I forgot to say again, congratulations on your profit for today. Oh, Ashef, sorry, I just received your email with the video. I'm gonna check it out. I actually heard about that guy, so I'm gonna check it out. I did not see the video, but I followed the biggest payout from Apex. Was from this guy. So yeah, Trader Kane. Oh, definitely, definitely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And by the way, I'm still saying that Apex still in the big league, so people received the payouts last week as well, and all the way. So I requested a payout myself this morning, but there's a 99% chance I'm gonna get denied because I particularly remember having a trade above $1,000 because I was on tilt. And no problem, actually, I'm still going to keep building the account. So just proper risk management. That's what it takes. If I look at this one real carefully, all I see is that there was no real entry on any of my model that I like to go. So if I this was a scalp, most likely based on feelings, but none of my entry models, if I should say that, showed me to go short. And not even here. It just looks like it wants to go higher currently. So interesting. Interesting. any one of you is holding a position, maybe trying to get into a trade, let me know. What a slow movement again. I mean, I was expecting more from this session now. I was definitely expecting more from this. You know what I think? I'm gonna show you what I think. This is what it's gonna do. It's gonna go slowly up there. Slowly, even go sideways here. This is what's gonna happen. But slow grind. Without any proper displacement or possible entry that we could go with. I mean, we can all agree that this price action is just BS, right? The silver bullet hour is officially cooked. I mean, yeah, it should be going up. Is anybody here, or is just me talking to myself? That's how far this has gone. I have to ask around what's. Maybe there's an error on the stream or something. And the OBS. Nobody's here. Cool. All right. All right. Awesome. Okay. Guess enough. Oh, fine. I got a little bit worried. I thought that there's a glitch in the matrix, and I'm just stuck in a loop or something. I'm not sure. Watching you, watching charts. Okay. Watching you. I'm watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you. Right? Uh, you know what? I think we should be having a better price action in the PM session. Hopefully. This is typically there's always glitch. Just got to keep your eyes. Oh yeah. I actually I tend to see that. I know I don't know what about you guys, but sometimes try it out. I'm gonna tell you guys something. Try it out. You're gonna see amazing things happening to 2 p.m. Oh, I see. 2 p.m. Eastern. So I'm gonna tell you what to do, and it's gonna be amazing. Once you go down to the street anywhere you live, just go down, take a walk, and just sit down on a bench somewhere. Just sit down and watch your surroundings. Watch the people. Watch the nature, the trees, the cars, whatever is happening, and try to figure out what the hell is going on. I mean, trust me, if you just look around, like observe, try to observe your surroundings, and you will find amazing things. So 2 p.m. Eastern, that means you're in the power hour, most likely, Tudor. So what is happening? Like, do you guys think that there is more volatility in the PM session? Which one is better to trade? You live in a village. Everything is static. I like that. I like that. Everything is static. I traveled the lower 48 US states for 5 years. I've seen quite a bit. Oh, wow. I would love to hear those stories, Trev. That could be amazing. I'd love to hear those stories. Forget what I wanted to say. So yeah, I like morning sessions better. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And it turns around 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Oh, okay, okay. So right about now. That's good. So yeah, that's what I wanted to get down to. So 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. is most likely a whipsaw thing, because that's what I tend to observe in the past year. Obviously, I don't have too much experience with futures, but that's what I tend to observe, that in the last 2 hours it tends to like go for internal liquidity most of the time, kind of like, you know, chopping from the bottom of the range to the top, and you know, something like that. After 2 p.m. you can get more linear trends. Oh, really? Okay, I see. All right. All right, fair enough. You have to a lot of drawdown and know exactly where it's going to be. Oh yeah, and also there is like, oh, look at this, we're going up there. And also there's like two kind of so traders, I think I can say that. So one, when we're just trading in a range, or the one who is who likes to trade when the market is trading. Obviously everybody likes to trade when the market is trending, but it's hard to catch the best entry at the beginning of the trend. I was thinking about this a lot, and I think I'm doing better when the market is ranging, not ranging like chopping in a small range, but more likely something like here on gold. So something like this. So not doing like a big trendy moves, just I can see everything on one screen. So this is the type of environment that I like to go with. So for example, boom, here's a gap. I could have targeted that on gold just by taking a short, maybe there, or maybe even there, and boom. Even to scalp it is easier. Anyway. Never on limit. Only buy and sell stops. Why is that good? By the way, I don't know why is that. I'm just honestly asking. Why is it good to enter with a buy stop or a sell stop and not with the limit order or not with the market order? You know. You're at work, yeah. You're forced to adapt. I see. Yeah. Understandable. Understandable. Slow session so far. Take away stress of entering. I see. Okay. It commit you. Okay. Okay. So it commit you and it prevents slippage. Okay. Takes away the stress of entering. I like that. I like that actually. That's a valid point there. It commit you. Okay. Hmm. I see. Okay. I knew it, Kirk. I knew it. I actually knew that. If I see a previous 4-hour candle split down in 4 levels and those levels above us. No, there's a green present. Oh, I see. That's actually a good. Respected, right, right. So I try to trade between them. That's a good approach. I like that. So 76. I mean, why not? You know, why not? Oh, I just got paid out by MyFundedFutures. They were slow today. I requested the payout at the market open, and now it passed like 1 hour and 16 minutes. Last time they did it in 9 minutes. And now, anyway, it's all right. MyFundedFutures is great. It's awesome. A lot of study regarding a the VWAP. VWAP. Man, I have to learn that. All right, I got paid, which is awesome. So 1 hour and 15 minutes from MyFundedFutures to my account. I mean, to my Rise account. Last time it was 9 minutes, but oh well. Just a second. I have to. No, what did I do again? What did I click? Where did the screen go? Oh, okay. Dude. Oh man, this is just so tiring. Seeing this. So for 270 is awesome, Jeff. That is awesome. 270 is great. Yes, approaching all-time high. Oh yeah, look at that. Man. No stopping at this one. Hmm. Yeah, as long as ES will go, it's gonna drag NQ. I'm not sure I want to go short here. I don't know. Maybe I'll try one single trade. I'm not sure. I don't know. A little bit tempted. Take a trade. I like it. But I don't know how much I like it. I'm going to put on a sell limit at 23.50. I think. Uh, 23.75. So I put on a sell limit there in that small gap. I'm not in the trade yet. Here's my limit. Entry. But not in the trade yet. Maybe I'm gonna put it to the Bulenox account too. 23.75. Let's see. 23.75 is a sell limit that I went with. Yeah. Not sure if it's gonna go for sideways for too long. If it's not gonna like do a steep, like a sharp, you know, retracement up there and just wick that level and then go down. If it's just gonna go slopey, I might going to delete that limit. I'm not liking the idea. The problem is that ES is definitely wants to go higher. Okay, it's not taking it. It's still all right. If it wants to go down, if this one turns out to be a short opportunity, maybe we can still get in on a nice displacement lower. No problem with that. I think I'm going to okay, I'm still leaving that on, but to be honest, I don't like that level. There's the level down at 39. I might going to delete my limit entry. I'm deleting my limit entry. Deleting it. No orders. Flat. Deleted my limit entry. It came down too much. I wanted to see on the next 2 or 3 candles immediately repricing and then going at this one. Not the one I like. Can still go there obviously, but so no orders on my end. Oh man, now it's tempting again. But as much as I'm looking at the 5 minute and the 15, this one could be just accumulation. So if I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, this one could be accumulation for pushing higher. So I'm not gonna enter a short. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna see something more on the 5 minute too. I think so. I like the short idea pretty much, but I'm not gonna go with it for now. You left your there. Yours there 5 micro. Nice. Yeah, 22 is very, very strong. That's true, Trev. I'm not in a trade again. I deleted my orders. Maybe if it displaces below that 97 area, maybe. I need to see a little bit better price action. Kirk is scalped. Okay, nice. 10 points. Okay, another almost like it could be a structure shift, a continuation. Not really. Or yeah, almost. Let's look at the 5 minute. I'm not trusting this drop yet. I like the levels down there though. I really, really like the levels. $75. Could that be possible? I'm not in a trade, but I feel like it wants to break that 75. No, I'm not jumping in the trade yet. Let me look at the risk here. I don't know, 3 micros. Should I go for it? All right, I put on a sell limit at 05.50, but the problem is that it's above 22. No, it's not. Okay, I deleted it. It's not gonna go there. It wants to take out that 75. How about that? Below 70. Yeah, let's see. I took a small short, 3 micros only. I'm targeting 77. I'm not sure how it looks on the low on the mini is 76. It could be a trap, that's why I'm cautious. It could be a trap, that's why I'm only targeting. I'm going with 3 micro. And it can also reprice higher, up to like the 22.010 level. There's a small 1 minute up there still. Maybe thinking to leave a runner. Maybe. Not sure. Martial MMA is long. Alright. Let's go. Actually, you have a good chance as well. Yeah, my stop is above the swing. It could be breaking higher. Yeah, it's not looking good. Not looking good. Oh man. Actually, I wanted to lower my TP. I'm gonna. Never mind. I was waiting patiently, and this is what I get. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Now let me show you. Almost out. Here. Almost out from the trade. What a tricky move from NQ, luring in all these orders. Maybe the next entry, I'm gonna be looking for the upper 1 minute gap for a possible inversion to the downside. But this was a tricky move. A very tricky, and it got me. It trapped me. 15 points, let's go. Trump is speaking? Oh, that's not good. Then it's gonna be bullish. Of course. Of course. It got back to that 1 minute gap here. and I have a feeling that it might gonna be pushing it back up there. We have a minor reaction on this gap. Shorts could be sweating here. How is it reacting to the gap so far? Yeah, it seems like. I'm wondering too. Might want to pick up some orders from this gap. It trapped the shorts for sure. There could be stops above the 42. Oh, 37. Oh. Yeah, I took the risk. Yeah, I took the risk. Yeah, it looks like it was a fake move for now. And it should be picking up orders all the way down from 15, maybe. If this is if the real move is gonna be the push even higher. So I wonder if it's because Trump started to speak, or is he speaking, or okay. Repricing this gap. Maybe it's inverting it. Who knows? So far, it seems like it could be inverting this gap. What a drop. So which one is which? Where is the manipulation here? There could be liquidity below the 75, maybe. Not sure if that's the goal. Hey William. What is the best prop? Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures are my favorites for now. I just requested a payout from MyFundedFutures. Super fast. And I do like them, although I'm still trading with Apex and Bulenox as well, and Tick Trader. But on the top of the list is MyFundedFutures Starter Plus account is very good. No activation fee. Take Profit Trader daily payouts from day one and 50% off right now. No daily loss limit. Also very good price. So I'd say those are good. Those are actually could be considered good, in my opinion. Obviously, Top Step is good, and some others. So there's a few good ones for sure. Interesting how it reacted to that gap. And where it wants to go now. Not sure. The 22K is still holding there. No idea. No idea what it wants. All right, repricing this area again. Inverted the gap. I mean the inverted gap here. So I wonder what's going to be the real move. Everything still seemed to be a little bit sideways here at the top. See an elevator? A magnet. I'm telling you, 75-point drop. 975 in 1 minute was the only pullback we see. Okay, so down there. All right then. It seems like we're going. Yeah. They didn't even give us the chance. It could be skyrocketing from here. You know, luring in everybody. I can imagine this one making a new high above 42. Like we're so much just ranging. Still time until the lunch hour, but yeah, it could be resuming going higher. Look at that. I wonder if it goes to the 30s and tries to, you know, take the basically there's a point of control somewhere above around 35-ish area. I don't know if it wants to take it or not. But I guess it depends how we look at it, right? Inverted this area again. Question is it going to trade through it? The high of this is, yeah, it's up there. Because then it has to go into the 40s. But first back to the middle of that range, above 35. If it goes there, of course. Which we don't know. Still has to break this level at 30.25 maybe. Seemed like a trap for sellers, but I don't know. It has to bring it to the 40s to make it sure if it wants to take out those highs up there. Oh my god, look at that. So it was a squeeze, right? Oh, the magnet. I don't really have a level that I want to go with. The magnet. Oh, where is the magnet? Sorry. Here. Yeah. Next macro should be coming in soon. And the way I look at it, I mean, it's difficult. It's just difficult to say. You know, if I would have waited to enter a short on this gap, it would have been good for a while. But then all this pushback, it would have taken me out. Don't like it. And now below that level again. The market right now is crazy. I am telling you, it is crazy. Crazy. No troll, no joke. It's crazy. Yeah. It's not the price action that we were looking for. I wish I could say that it is, but it's just not. I'm just trying to analyze, like, if I would have waited to enter here for a short, so I could have taken a short from the gap, I would have been taken out already because I would have moved my stop here. So that's not good. So that would have not played out good. And I see some beautiful levels on the downside there, but if we look at this on the 15, I'm sorry, I have to get this out of the way. On the 15, there's a very good liquidity level at 950, but we're just so close to that 111, like 80 points. 80. Oh my god, we're just at the middle. 80 points into both directions. No man's land. The hourly is looking like it wants to go. If I would have used a wider stop, my stop would be somewhere in this area. And I think the algorithm just wants to push it up to the 40s. That's what I think. Yeah. It wants to squeeze everybody out. No exceptions. Marginal new highs and then breaks down. Yeah, I think so too. Hey, good morning, Crypto Panda. What's going on? What is going on, Crypto Panda? So I'm assuming that there are a lot of stops above that 42 level. You know, stops here. Med Futures, it could hit 274. Way up there. Oh yeah. It could. It's gonna take out those stops. I wish I could say otherwise, but and you know the worst thing in this, at least for me, is that I was so much all day. I was on the wrong side. I was looking for sells all day, even though when it was clear it wants to sweep the 22. I was blinded. I was so much on the sells. You overtraded. Daily PNL 748. Net PNL 430. Hey, dude, who cares about it? You made profit. That's all that matters, Crypto Panda. That's all that matters. Who cares about the rest? You know, nobody. That's all that matters. Look at that. Here comes the push. Stops are getting destroyed right now. Boom. Oh man, what a trap for the sellers, including myself. Including myself here. This is, you know, this is typically the kind of price action when you know you have to walk away. You know, you gotta walk away. When you know that you did what you could but it's just not happening. If it leaves a fair value gap and inverts here, it's short. Okay. It's not gonna go. I think it's gonna go for the 111. It's so close for NQ. We still have the lunch hour ahead of us. It's gonna go there. But I'm not jumping in. It's too high to go long and too high to go short at this moment. You were blinded by the light. I could, yeah, another runner in the night, yeah. Yeah, ES is just wants to push it and rip the all-time high. I'm not gonna jump in here. I'm not. So with that being said, I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just I think it's better to walk away for me while I can, while I'm still in a slight profit for the day. Basically, I have a break-even day, so whatever. Thank you so much for being here. Please, if you would like to use my codes, use it to support the channel. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll be back for London session tomorrow. What else can I say? It is what it is. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I have to walk away before I do something stupid. All right, God bless you all. I'll be back tomorrow in London. All right, cheers, everyone.